Okay, so today is the day I get to go into the lab to see the technology and research and science that goes into the World Mosquito Program and coming up with this intervention to stop dengue fever here in Bali. Okay, so today I am at the World Mosquito Program office here in Denpasar, Bali, Indonesia, and I'm going to learn how to make mosquitoes. So I'm not gonna lie, I had no idea what to expect out of going to a lab that makes mosquitoes, and I think that's partly why I was so excited, because I really just have no idea what the technology looks like or the process, and I think the whole thing is so fascinating and novel. But I learned a lot, and I just loved seeing the scientists do their thing. But one thing I was reminded of is that only the female mosquitoes are the ones that bite humans, so they're the ones that we're worried about carrying diseases of. And then obviously I wondered, okay, if the females are the only ones that bite humans, how do we know which one's a female versus a male mosquito? And the female mosquitoes are usually larger and have a different antenna. The male antenna is like kind of fluffier than the female one. And then I was also curious if there's a difference between mosquitoes that have Wolbachia versus the wild type or the ones that don't. And looking under a microscope and seeing them, you actually cannot tell. They look the exact same. So the only way to find out if a mosquito has Wolbachia would be through a PCR test. And that just goes to show that these mosquitoes are not like genetically modified and that it is something natural that we can put into the mosquitoes.